Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are getting it all done. We're doing a little bit of cleaning, laundry, cooking, and I am going to take you guys on my first shop with me. So this morning, we're going to cook an egg scramble with mushrooms, tomatoes, and eggs and cheese with sausage and waffles. While I was cooking, I was watching At Home with the Frasers on YouTube. You guys go check out her channel. She does a little bit of Christian talk, cooking, homesteading, everything. So just check out her channel. All right, let's get to cleaning this master bedroom. You guys, I have not decided on how I want to decorate this room yet. I'm just kind of playing around with things I already have before I buy anything, because once I buy something, I want to be for sure in my purchase when I do this bedroom makeover. We've been playing around with the idea of building on a new master's bedroom, so this will essentially turn into my daughter's room. And I think it's a cute, cozy, comfortable space. It's not too big, but it's functional and we love it. But we're just thinking about just a little bit more space for the master's bedroom. So in the future, we plan on building on, but I'm just not entirely sure when. But until then, you just got to keep your spaces clean. And it's still a lot of little things that we have to do as far as renovations and finishing up the space. So it's time to tackle laundry, and this is probably one of my second least favorite things to do other than washing dishes. Washing the clothes, drying them, but folding them is what really gets me. So I have to stay on top of that, and this week that was my goal, to make sure everything was folded and put away for the week. The laundry room is also another area that needs a little bit of TLC. It's smaller, so it needs to be more functional. So I want to add cabinets and a little bit more storage space, just to maximize the area that we do have. It's not a bad size. I just don't like all the kind of clutter that's in there, and it makes me feel, I don't know, just disorganized, and the area feel a little bit chaotic, if you know what I mean. So the first stop was Walgreens, and they had some pretty good sales. They had Dawn dish detergent for 4 for $10, Mr. Clean multi-purpose 4 for $10, 324 pack of water for $9, off-brand disinfectant wipes for $1.99. Those are all the things I got from Walgreens. Now we're headed over to Walmart. So here I'm just getting a couple of items. This is kind of like my filler grocery shopping. Like I already had stuff at home. I was just getting things that I specifically wanted to cook, or things that we were getting low on, and just a couple of items that I thought that would make it easier for us during the week to eat and pop in, the microwave or toast oven or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed the video for this week. See you next time.